It's all over the reports, what had happened in Maguindanao del Sur, and those shooting incidents in Maguindanao del Sur, as well as the Good Friday incident in Barangay Inarawan, Puerto Princesa City, that resulted to the death of 3 persons, two police personnel and 1 personnel of the Bureau of Corrections. May iwasan naman dapat natin ito, and I direct the respective investigators, the CIDG, as well as the Directorate for Investigation Detective Management, to fully investigate this senseless loss of life. Hindi naman mangyayari sana yon if only our police officers, especially the Chief of Police, the provincial directors, are truly guiding our personnel. Ang mga pulis natin, nandun sa kalsada, nagresponde, naka-uniform, naka-civilian attire, naka-responde under the influence of alcohol, apparently, and that is being investigated. In an altercation earlier, before that response. So what's the difference between that incident way back to the incident in 2023 in Nabotas, wherein our police personnel in uniform at with proper coordination and with proper operations orders, nakabaril ng isang robbery suspect, but unarmed. So make sure CIDG and DIDM to fully investigate. We do not cover up, we do not whitewash. Panagutin natin ang dapat managot. Hindi ganyan ang natutunan nating police procedure. Our police procedure is dapat naka-uniform ka, dapat alam ng station commander at ang station commander ay nagbibigay ng orders and guidance. So I already directed the regional director to jail and lock up 4 identified police personnel who responded without the knowledge of the Chief of Police. And even the Chief of Police and the provincial city director be relieved of their posts.